This video is a complimentary video for episode 8. In this video, we will discuss a Chinese concept of Yin Yang, which will help us better our understanding of Malik and Abid. The basic definition of Yin Yang is how seemingly opposite or contrary forces may actually be complementary, interconnected, and interdependent in the natural world, and how they may give rise to each other as they interrelate to one another. So let's look at the example of day and night. Both cannot occur at the same time. They give each other meaning. One cannot be identified without the other. Basically, although seemingly different and opposite, but yet they give each other meaning or purpose. So let's look at another example. If you want to clean your house, then your house must first need to be dirty. You cannot clean an already clean house. If you could clean the already clean house, it was not clean in the first place. So let's look at another example which does not have an opposite and what it affects. We don't have to think about air as we are all surrounded by it. We don't have to actually think about breathing. Just like water is to fish, air is to us. The lack of opposite dissolves the part itself to be a non-observable. So crime exists, we create police. Danger exists, we create army. Problem exists, so we create politicians. But what happens is, in all of the above examples, the second needs the first to survive. So eventually what happens with this approach is second keeps the condition where first is on perpetual creation mode. So second has something to justify its existence. So what's the Islamic solution for this problem? Quran tells us to always be prepared. Preparation is compulsory to everyone. We cannot outsource our duties. So there is no professionalism. That's why there is no army, there is no police in Quran. So the solution should be in accordance with the problem. Like if somebody steals, it means that there is a problem with our economic system. Fix the economic system which has forced someone to steal. If you want better roads, go out and build better roads. Don't count on anyone to fix our problem. Governments will keep the conditions, so you will always be dependent on the governments to fix your problem. So thanks for watching. If you have not already watched the episode 8 of Malik, share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.